In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Epic Games to your Steam Games library. By the end, you'll be launching your Epic titles straight from Steam, keeping everything in one place for easier access and a cleaner library. Start by opening Steam from your desktop or your Start menu. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menus are available. At the very top of the Steam window, look for the menu bar and click Games. From that drop-down, choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. This brings up a window that scans your computer for installed programs. In this list, you may see some of your Epic games already detected. If you do, simply tick the checkboxes next to the games you want to add. If you want to add more than one at the same time, hold the Control key while clicking to make multiple selections. If you don't see a game listed, that's totally fine. Click the Browse button to point Steam directly to the game's executable file. When browsing, navigate to the folder where the game is installed. For most default installs, a reliable path to try is C. Program Files Epic Games Game Name Binaries Win64. Inside that Win64 folder, look for the games.exe file, the one that actually launches the game. If there are several files, pick the one that includes the game's name, often with shipping in the file name. If your Epic library is on another drive, use this PC in the left sidebar to jump to that drive and follow the same folder structure. Take your time here. Choosing the correct .exe ensures Steam launches the game directly rather than just opening a launcher. Once you've checked the boxes for all the games you want, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will confirm the additions and return you to your library. You'll now find those titles grouped under a section labeled Non-Steam, alongside your regular Steam games. If you have a large collection, use the search bar to find them quickly by name. From here, launching is straightforward. Select the game in your library and click Play. Steam will handle the rest and, if necessary, may open the Epic launcher in the background as part of the process. Keep in mind that some overlays or features depend on the specific game, but the shortcut and organization benefits are immediate. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.